So let's learn about the Kenyan money, but we will learn about the Kenyan notes. We won't learn about all the notes that we have in Kenya, but we will learn about these two, the 50 shillings note and the 100 shillings note. So this is how the 50 shillings note looks like. Here we are here learning about the 50 shillings note. This is how it looks like. It has two sides, the front side and the back side. So let's look at this note and see some of the things that we can see from here. The first thing to look at every note that you're given is look at the value. So this one, you can see it is 50 shillings note. So the other thing is you look at the images that are there at the front side. We can see the statue of our first president, who is Mzee Jomo Kenyatta. And we have another big building here in Nairobi called Kenyatta International Convention Center, KICC. Then let's look at the back part. Back side of that note, we can see the government designed this note with a theme. The theme was green energy. Green energy means getting energy from the solar. You can see solar panels. You can see getting energy from the wind. You can see some windmills, and getting energy from water. You can see some big pipes generating energy. So the government symbolized that Kenya is in the forefront to generate green energy from wind, from water, and from solar. That is the sun. I said we will also look at our 100 shillings note. So this is how this note looks like, front side and the back side. So the first thing for you to know the kind of note that you have is to look at this number here. You can see this is 100. So this is 100 shillings note. So another thing is we look at the things that are in this note but at the front side. So at the front side we said we have a statue of our first president of this nation, that is Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, and one of the magnificent buildings in Nairobi city called Kenyatta International Convention Center, KICC. There are other things that we can see. They have also done it in Swahili for you. Shilingi mia moja. Then we have these others. We have the shield and the lions. So what about the back side? At the back side we have, this is the back side from here to here. So of course we have the value. Then you can see some maize. You can see a farmer harvesting coffee and tea leaves. You can see some animals. These are goat. This is sheep. This is a cow. This is camels, and this is another cow. So the government, when they were designing this, they designed this note with a theme. They wanted to show that Kenya is a country that is committed in agriculture, and through agriculture we get all these things. We get maize, we get tea, we get goats, we get cows and camels. Agriculture sustains this nation, and the government wanted to show that they are at the forefront to make sure that agriculture has worked and has sustained our country.